Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to mathematics class. In ninth question, exercise 13.3, question number 9, it is given that there is a canal and farmer has connected a pipe with this canal to fill the water in his cylindrical tank in order to store it, and the dimensions are given here. The dimension, that is the diameter of the pipe which is connected to the canal and cylinder, is 20 centimeter, and diameter of cylindrical tank is 10 meter and its height is 2 meters. And the speed of water flowing through this pipe is 3 km per hour. We need to calculate the time, that how much time will it take to fill this cylindrical tank. So let the time taken be t. Now you can see here the speed of water is given. It means what is given? It is given that this is the length which is flowing in 60 minutes or 1 hour. So here we will write it, length of water flowing in 60 minutes is equals to 3 km or 3000 meters. In the same way, if we want to calculate it for the 1 minute, we will divide it by 60. So length of water flowing in 1 minute will be equals to 3000 divided by 60, that is 50 meters. Now the length of water flowing in t minutes will be equals to 50 into t. Into t meters. Now first of all we will calculate the volume of water flowing in this pipe. When we will calculate the volume of water flowing in this pipe in t minute, that volume will be equal to the volume of water filled in the cylindrical tank, and from there we will calculate the value of t, that is time taken to fill the tank. Now volume of water flowing in t minutes will be equals to, since the pipe is cylindrical, so again pi r square h, which is equals to pi into radius is 20 centimeter, and here it is in meters and here it is in centimeters. So you can see here, if the diameter is 20 centimeter, then radius will be 10 centimeter, which is equals to 0.01 meters. 0.1 meter. So we will substitute this value here, that is 0.1 into 0.1 into height is the length of water flowing in t minutes, that is 50 into t. 50t. After calculating it, it will be equals to pi into 0.01 into 50 t, which is equals to 0.5 t into pi. This is the volume flowing through this pipe in t minutes, and this volume will be equals to the volume that is filled in the cylindrical tank. So according to question, this volume 0.5 t into pi will be equals to pi r square h, that is the volume of cylinder. 0.5 t into pi equals to pi into radius is, diameter is 10 meters, so its radius will be 5 square into h is 2. pi से pi कट गया. Now t will be equals to 5 square into 2 upon 0.5. अब इस डेसिमल को रिमूव करने के लिए यहाँ 0 लगाना पड़ेगा. 5 1s are 5, 4s are 8. It becomes 25 into 4, which is equals to 100 minutes. This is the time taken to fill the tank. minutes. So children, that's all till exercise 13.3. Now we will discuss something about frustum. I will explain you what is frustum, and after that we will proceed in our next video lecture how to solve the questions. आपका नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है फ्रस्टम ऑफ ए कोन. फ्रस्टम क्या होता है? सपोज दिस इज ए कोन. When you will cut this cone in between, and it should be perpendicular to the height. This is cone. अगर मान लो इसको बीच में से काट दिया और कोन को रिमूव कर दिया, जो नीचे पार्ट बचता है ये वाला, which will have two circular ends. एक सर्कुलर एंड इसका ये हो जाएगा, एक सर्कुलर एंड इसका ये हो जाएगा. सो हेयर व्हाट वी विल लेफ्ट विद, अगर हम इसको रिमूव कर दें ऊपर वाले को, तो नीचे क्या बच जाता है हमारे पास? यू विल गेट लाइक दिस शेप. दिस इज फ्रस्टम ऑफ ए कोन. इसमें क्या है? दो सर्कुलर एंड होंगे एंड इट विल हैव टू रेडियाई, दैट इज R1 एंड R2, and this will be height, and slant height again same, that is this slanting portion is a slant height. So this is what a frustum is. Rest of the things we will discuss in our next video lecture or in our live class. अभी सिर्फ इतना समझ लो कि फ्रस्टम क्या होता है. फ्रस्टम का एग्जांपल ले लो आप ड्रिंकिंग ग्लास, कोई भी ग्लास आप लेते हो, यू विल फाइंड दैट इट इज इन दिस शेप, राइट, वेयर इट विल हैव टू सर्कुलर एंड्स, एक ऊपर और एक नीचे, और उसके दो रेडियाई होंगे और बीच में उसकी हाइट हो जाएगी. So children, that's all for today. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Thank you.